Hi, there is a concept in quantum mechanics capturing the imagination of many outside the field. The dual nature of light as a wave and as a particle. In the experiment demonstrating the concept, physicists direct a laser beam to a plate with two slits and observe the screen on the other side of the plate. If you look at the results on the screen, you can see lines resulting from the interference of the two waves passing through the slits. But if you look at how light interacts with the screen, you see individual particles called photons hitting the screen in a completely random pattern. The wave pattern is only the result of these photons hitting some areas more frequent than others. Now, there are two analogies in our life where this concept can also be useful to understand what's going on. The first is risk. Events may have completely predictable and stable probabilities when you look at the average, but it goes completely random when you look at individual cases. For example, if you have a small chance to win the lottery or get hit by a car, then you may say that the risk is negligible or your chance to win is pretty small. However, if you are unlucky and get hit by a car, it doesn't matter if it only had a small chance. If you win the lottery, it will completely change your life, even if the chance for winning was really small. My second analogy is the science of economics. Many people argue that economics cannot describe the economy and the markets because we may never know how individual people decide in a particular situation. However, when we describe general behavior or behavior of groups of people, the models are quite accurate. Yet they cannot predict the actions and the decisions of individuals.